What is attitude in trading? Attitude in trading refers to a crucial psychological mindset, belief, and emotional control that detects a trader's action, determining success or failure. Let me read that again. Attitude in trading. This refers to a crucial psychological mindset, belief, emotional control that detects a trader's action, determining success or failure. So, in other words, attitude is just that one thing that will determine if you are going to be successful or not in trading. But first of all, we are affected by what we know, and secondly, how we feel about what we know. You understand? We are affected by what we know, and secondly, how we feel about that which we know. Reason being that we all can't escape the accumulated effects of our selection of attitude, which means the character or the attitude you exhibited, which is you procrastinating or not giving attention to the chat or to the things you're supposed to do. You understand? The accumulated effect of that particular character, because I believe it's not going to happen just once. You keep repeating that. You understand? So the accumulated effect of those days is going to greatly affect your future. You can't escape it. You understand? You ask yourself, how do I engage in the kind of philosophical thinking to refine my attitude to give me a chance for a future fortune rather than what will be missing in the future? That means you're beginning to work on your attitude. And trust me, it's not that easy to get your attitude fixed. That's why you need to ask yourself this question: how do I engage in the kind of philosophical thinking that will refine my attitude to give me a chance for a future fortune rather than what will be missing in the future? And there's another type of attitude, my dear. Everybody have to choose for themselves by education, by some level of degrees, or by anything that runs in them, either to discipline themselves to the right attitude or to do the opposite. Everybody have to choose for themselves. I can't choose for you, you can choose for me. That is why we are humans. You understand? Because we humans have been given the dignity of choice. You understand? All life on earth extends to 8 marks, except for human, because we human have been given the dignity of choice. A tree will grow as high as it possibly can. You understand? So those other plants. You've never heard a tree growing half of its size by choice. That have never happened, and that will never happen. You understand? The only way a tree may grow half of its size is by maybe there's an external force that have acted upon it, like that have disrupted its growth. But a tree cannot choose either to grow short or to grow tall. You understand? So likewise, other things except human. And why? Because we women have been given the dignity of choice. Choose whether to do or not to do. To do a little bit or to do more. To do small, to do big, or just to do. If you want to talk, you understand? We human have been given that dignity of choice, and that's what separates us from the plants and the animals. You understand? So